Okay.
1, 2. Dam hito ka. Tawa na. Ending. Kus.
这样说明是 Apple 不样说。哦。Apa satara orang? Cici hai.
Oh, they're also sitting on the edge. Like the chicken turtle. Move.
Strawberry fake. One feeling.
Apple sẽ kem ăn chiếng này tục.
Này ngay về tiêu.
Apple sẽ lâu đừng. Đi làm thì Apple sẽ mà ta tục số này tục.
À, ale. Oo.
Look at the camera over there. I think give me to it. Hey,
À, mỗi lo. Tan một tàu mới cho rồ ra non khâu bội bỏ lưỡi tàu mi.
Alright, well, welcome to the strawberry patch. When you guys are out there, make sure you get the ones that are fully red. Make sure you look all the way around. Make sure there's no green spots. When you pick them, go a little bit above the berry, pinch the stem, and then twist it off. That just helps our plants survive a little bit longer. Today we have you guys in this field down there. There's a sign down there on that says pick here. The 2 blocks behind that sign, around 5 pounds, which is around $30. So fill up as much as you want. Once you guys are done, you guys can chillax over here and wait for one of the drivers to take you back. And when you guys are out there, please be careful. Try and not step over our rows. We know it's inconvenient to walk all the way down, but if you step on our plants, that'll kill them. So if you have to do that and you have little kids, please try and pick them up over because you guys got short little legs. So be careful, please.
Good.
All right.
let's go.
Yeah.
Lead the charge.
Yes.
Ano yung panin lang? Itong panin. Ano ba makatulog? Ulit.
This is literally cartoon strawberry. This is literally cartoon. It's so smooth and red. Yes. Even if it's
Gì mà thua lẩu mà. Đây vẫn ít rồi người ta kìa. Cái đó chiên độc thủ sẽ nuồm từng nan. Ehe. Nó muốn cho tàu đấy em nhá. Sao? Đai đen.
Hot dan ka bun filter.
Strawberry rahe.
I knew you would do it.
Muốn tạo cho đặc thong ai gì? Em bây giờ lọ hết à?
Kapan lang din nga. Kapan pa nagalotin. color.
Ara amal mo. Ang raklo daw yan hasi daw. Alawang tamtok daw yan hasi daw.